Hi, this is teacher Viola again for another teaching video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends and family members who wants to improve their pronunciation and accentuation of English. Today, we are going to talk about another critical vowel sound. This is the sound of I, as in fish. Okay, so to make the short sound, the front part of the tongue is high in the mouth, lips are unrounded, facial muscles are relatively tense. Then we can say it, it, sit, sit, fish, fish. Okay, let's practice with some words. Okay, first, let's read the first column. Then follow me after. Inch, him, bib, gig, rib, link. Second column, big, in, fib, whip, rim, fix. Third column, ink, built, swim, wick, shift, dig. Third column, give, if, thin, which, kick, think. Fifth and last column is city, live, click, kiss, kiss, dish. Okay, let's have contrasting sound. Feet, fit, feet, fit. Okay, next, beat, bit, sick, seek, sit, seat, did, did, live, leave, tin, tin, chip, cheap, ship, sheep, is, fist, feast, green, green. Let's try with phrases. Follow me after. Give a receipt. Your turn. List each yield. Your turn. Eat the cheese. Your turn. Fit your big feet. Your turn. Feel the ease. Drink a cup of tea. Beat the heat. Reach the sick. Seek the green in. Yield to the fist. Sentences. Number 1. Please don't sit on a high seat. The sick has to seek medical treatment. Marlon is at ease with his speech. The cheat gave the cheat to the porter. The people will give the receipts. The rich dean will reach the beach. The sheep in the ship will yield rich profits. On my knees, I will agree to please the dean. She needed a pin for the ring of the queen. Do you feel ill when you see an eel? Passage. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Did Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? So let's do it again. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Your turn. This is a common tongue twister, but a lot of people mispronounce the words eventually. Try to practice and make it perfect as you try to perfect your enunciation and articulation of the English sound. I'll see you again in the next vlog.